one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. So if you're wondering why all the cooking videos lately, I'm probably going to do a shoot and update video this week, and I think to kind of give you a full rundown of what's been going on, just so you guys all know. I hate leaving people in the dark, especially if there's changes, not major changes to the channel. But I've been doing some more cooking videos. In fact, I'm doing one right now, making teriyaki chicken. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I'm on Reddit a lot at work, because we have a lot of downtime. And I'm just scrolling through Reddit. And what it is you know, there's a subreddit, which is basically a sub forum called Ask Men, and I was going through it, and it's like, what's some skills or life hacks, you know, a man should know? And a lot of people agreed, learn to cook. So it's like life hack, learn how to cook. So it you know, ding, gave me the idea to do these videos because, quite frankly, if I walk out, if I get in my car and I go west, I could run into 2 teriyaki places. I think 3. I'm not sure. I know for a fact 1. Pretty sure 2. Pretty sure 2. But anyway, and if I drive east from here, there's another one. And it's like we have a lot of teriyaki chicken places. So I don't know how many of you guys get takeout, but you know, I'm guilty. Sometimes I don't want to cook, I go get takeout. I either go get pizza, pasta, tacos, you know, teriyaki, whatever, it's all good. But I was looking at the prices online, and the prices can range from $12.99 to, I think it was like $16.99, and you get chicken, rice, and typically a salad. I'm doing broccoli because it's my favorite vegetable, and I've always said, if you have a favorite vegetable, just stick with it. You know, why it's, you know, I don't really like a lot of vegetables, but I found one that I like, so why don't I, you know, I might as well eat it. So I'm gonna be making teriyaki chicken for dinner tonight, and I thought I'd show you guys. I introed this video getting my rice cooker going. Highly recommend get a rice cooker if you eat a lot of rice. I actually get 50-pound bags of rice because they're like 35 bucks, and I get a ton of rice. So, but because a 10-pound bag of rice could cost I think it was like $9 or $10 for it. Like, wow, for like 10 pounds, I get 50-pound bag for, and I get them at the Asian markets where we have a plethora of. So I'm gonna prep my chicken because I got my rice going, and I've already rambled almost 3 minutes now. So let's get to it. So what I've got here, this is 6 chicken thighs. Now I'm making teriyaki chicken tonight, but I'm also gonna be making something tomorrow. So I'm gonna have yet another cooking video. But this was $8.10, which puts my chicken at $4. Like I said, I only need 3 of these. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 1. Oh, those are actually pretty big. So I'm actually gonna only use 2. Those are some pretty big thighs. Did I say breasts? I meant chicken thighs. If I said breasts, my apologies. But those are rather large, so maybe I'll have Saturdays. Right, so what I want to do is I want to take a sharp knife. Another thing, if you're going to cook a lot, invest in good knives. And I'm going to just clean off some of the extra fat on here. See, this is all I can take off. I don't mind the fat, but you know, if I can skim off some of it. Chicken thighs are one of my favorite cuts of chicken. So get that off, and then just, you know, hoping you guys can see this. I should get the other camera out so it will be more of a close-up. In fact, I think I will. Alright. Now, I'm going to throw some teriyaki sauce in here. I'm going to let that marinate, probably maybe 30 minutes. Get it in the bag. Just kind of knead it around, make sure everything is covered. Just like that. And those are right out of the refrigerator, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave them right here until I'm ready for them. So they're not going to be out for very long. But when I get ready to cook them, I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. All right, so quick tip. When you're done with chicken, so you don't get sick, just scrub everything down with hot soapy water. Clean the knife. Now, if you see my channel, you've seen me do this. Just hold your sponge like a taco, and just drag it like this. That way, the blade is going this way, and your hands are covered. You know, it's not like you have to put a lot of pressure on your knife. Just when I'm done, I always try to wash it when I'm finished, and then I will dry it and put it away. Want it to be a little hotter. I'll turn down the cold. I like my hot water comes out of my sink hotter than I can stand it, and actually I prefer it that way. Even though this cutting board is going into the dishwasher, I just get one of these white plastic cutting boards and just clean out all that chicken. I think people get nervous with raw chicken. So, and then there we go. Once your knife is ready to go, got myself a clean, well, a little stain, but clean, dry towel. I just dry it same way, just like like a taco. Just so the blade's going this way, and the cutting edge. Then I just make sure I totally dry it off. And of course, the best way to store a knife is to have a knife block, and you just slide it right back in. There's a spot for it, so it's not getting banged around in the drawer, which dulls it. And for Pete's sake, please don't ever use a dishwasher for your knife. Hand wash, even if it's not a quality knife. Hand wash it. All right, oven is hot. Let's get this chicken in the pan. I just got a piece of foil to keep the sheet pan clean. I don't have to sit there and wash it. And then I crimped each corner so I don't lose any juices, because then I'll have to wash the pan out. And then I'll just reach in and pull out my chicken. Get my chicken out. Alright. So I went ahead and killed the camera because I'm going to throw this whole bag away because it's got raw chicken in it and I didn't want to spill it everywhere. So let me add some seasonings to my chicken real quick. See my cast iron pan sitting out. Gonna add a little salt. Not a ton, just a little. I'm gonna add some. We're gonna use Cajun. I'm gonna add a little slap your mama. Well, I guess it's still Cajun, but just give it a little bit of spice, a little heat. I'll probably excuse me. That'll be about it. Let's go ahead and pop this in the oven. Bake that for 20 minutes at 375, and while it's cooking, I'm gonna also throw in my broccoli. So, with luck, dinner will be 20 minutes. All right, just heard my timer go off, so my broccoli's done. Sitting here watching Camping with Steve as he stealth camps in a ferry terminal. Good dude, good channel. I might link it below for you if you're like stealth camping videos. I'm gonna check the temperature of my chicken because I'm all about not getting sick. And it is done. Now, I've had people complain about using thermometers, but one, I'm a big fan of not getting sick, but two, I noticed that people who don't check the temperature tend to overcook their chicken to the point where it's dry as hell. So let's wrap this up. Oh, we gotta kill the oven. And then we'll wrap this up and plate it and then eat. Got my chicken. You have to do a price breakdown, but basically chicken was about $4. Vegetables were about $1. Wow, that just dropped everywhere. What else is there? The sauce I think was about $5, but I've gotten multiple uses out of it, so vegetables were about $1. I googled how much rice was per serving and it said about 21 cents, so rice is cheap. And of course, because I'm going to pour extra teriyaki sauce over the top. Oh yeah. And dump might just throw the broccoli in a side bowl. Oh, I have more room for rice. Throw some butter on there. Sweet. Now all I gotta do is add rice. Pull that rice out. Oh, heck yeah. Look at that. All right, so got my chopsticks. I just grabbed them from the grocery store. Just go by the sushi section and pick them up. If I can open the damn things. Come on, let's go. So a little trick to getting an even break, just hold them by the bottom and just, pretty simple. And actually, so here's a look at the dinner again. Oh man. There you go. Probably cost me about $5 or $6 total. Tell you what, learn to cook. Simple meal for about $6. All right. I'm gonna focus on eating dinner, and I will catch you guys in a few. All right, well, empty plate. Just goes without saying, it was not only easy as hell, but it was delicious. So with just a few things, you can make a simple, delicious dinner for yourself if you're not a cook. Hey, you know, the oven did all the work for me, the rice cooker did all the work for me, and the steamer did all the work for me. All I do is prep a couple things, boom. So anyway, thanks for watching. Get in the kitchen and start cooking something. If you have any requests, put them in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do. All right, see ya.